Hello guys, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always watching our videos, commenting on them, liking and sharing. We really do appreciate your continued support. So in today's video, we are going to be making our client this request. It's a TV stand, and that is basically what we are going to be doing in this DIY today. Watch the video till the end so that we can fully understand all the steps, materials we have used in this video. So guys, about the paint work, I did use this super fast paint. It's a water based paint whereby you just apply 2 or 3 coats of it, and then I did use this 2K acrylic paint. It's an acrylic based paint, and I usually use a machine to apply on the surface of the item that I'm making. So after that, this is how the TV stand looks. This is it after I've left it to dry, and this is how the final reveal looks. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I hope that you have learned something from us. Don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to comment, sharing, and most of all, subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos.